Hello everybody and welcome back. Once again, I'm going to pressure can water and I'll bring you along with me. Now, often people pressure can water or water bath can water to use as filler jars in their canners. Today I'm going to be canning half-gallon jars, 4 of them. Now, why would you can water? Well, you can have it to drink, and of course you can have the water to cook with. You can have it to flush the toilet. So I'm going to turn you around and show you what I have on the counter. On the left there we have my Presto 23-quart pressure canner, and in the pressure canner we have cold water. The water is cold because the water in the jars is also cold, okay? And that's going to heat up all together in the pot. We also have the Harvest Guard reusable canning lids right there that I have previously simmered. We have tongs, jar lifter, paper towel, and vinegar for wiping the rims, and we have an assortment of ring bands. Let's get getting these Harvest Guard reusable canning lids on these jars. I'm going to put this into the canning pot. All the jars are in my Presto pressure canner. I'm going to process these jars for 10 minutes. Now, the last time I did this, I believe I processed the half-gallon jars for 20 minutes, but I think 10 minutes is sufficient. So let's get the lid on the canning pot. Now, the pot is not hot yet. I'm just taking a minute to give this a wipe with vinegar. Okay, can you see the steady stream? I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. I have a question for my viewers. Does anyone else do this? I would never touch the air vent cover lock, but I do kind of, soak up some of the water. We've now reached 11 pounds pressure. I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. Now remember, this is a time I've chosen. Okay, you choose the time that you want to pressure can your water. I'm going to turn the element down just a bit. Anyone who is new to canning, this is for you. This is the sound of a Presto pressure canner. So my 10 minutes are up. I'm now going to turn off the element and the pressure will come down. I'll bring you back when the gauge is at 0, the air vent cover lock is dropped, and it's time to take the pressure regulator off of the vent pipe. The air vent cover lock is dropped. We're now down to 0 pressure, and I'm going to take the pressure regulator off of the vent pipe. I'll bring you back in about 10 minutes. My jars are out of the canning pot. I'm now going to tighten up the lids. However, let's take a look at the regular sized lid. So I'm not going to tighten that jar because it appears that there is pressure trapped in it. As you see, the lid is convex. Now, if you go onto the Harvest Guard YouTube channel, they refer to this as doming. So we're just going to leave that jar alone. It is the next morning and it's time to check if these lids have sealed. Last night this was domed, or it was convex. It seems to have settled down. We're gonna see if it has in fact sealed. By the way, I didn't tighten the ring band on this jar because it was domed. And when it's domed, you're just to leave it alone. Okay, so let's get unscrewing the ring band. Starting with this jar, of course. Okay, it didn't seal and I figured it wouldn't. Okay, but that's fine. Great. This is sealed. I'm happy about that. Excellent. Another sealed jar. Super. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.